Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we are diving into a summary of chapter 4. Have you ever felt like life just hit you out of nowhere? Like suddenly everything's going wrong and there is no way out? That's exactly what happened to John, a regular guy who lost his job, felt hopeless and thought life had nothing left for him. But here is the thing, this chapter is not just about losing a job, it's about how attitude, action, and perspective can completely change the way we handle problems. It's about turning setbacks into comebacks, fear into courage, and challenges into opportunities. John was devastated at first, bills were piling up, rent was due, and for the first time in his life, he felt completely powerless. He spent days sitting at home, feeling defeated, thinking maybe this is it, maybe I have hit rock bottom. But then he remembered a simple idea. Tough times never last, but tough people do. Something inside him clicked. He decided he was not going to let this setback define his life. At first, it was scary. He felt lost and angry. But John knew blaming anyone or feeling sorry for himself would not solve anything. So he started small, updating his resume, sending emails, and reaching out to people he knew. Every small action gave him a tiny sense of control and hope. Slowly, John's perspective started to shift. He asked himself, is this really just about losing my job, or could this be a chance to try something new, something I have always wanted? What felt like an end became the start of a new beginning. He explored different opportunities, learned new skills, volunteered in his community, and even discovered talents he did not know he had. Sure, there were days he felt discouraged, but he stayed positive, reached out for help when needed, and kept moving forward. And bit by bit, doors started opening. Months later, John landed a job better than he ever imagined. One that challenged him, excited him, and gave him a sense of purpose. But the biggest change was internal. He had learned that the life problems are not permanent, it's your attitude, your persistence, and the way you handle challenges that decide whether you rise or fall. So that's the story of John straight from chapter 4. Life will throw challenges at you, sometimes big, sometimes unexpected. But remember, setbacks are not the end. With the right mindset, action, and positivity, you can turn any problem into a stepping stone for something better. If you liked this video, make sure to hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring summaries and life lessons. Remember, tough times never last, but tough people do.